Protect, restore, and promote the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem. Sustainable manage forests, combat desertification, and reverse land degradation and biodiversity decline. Terrestrial ecosystems are vital for sustaining human life, contributing to over half of global GDP and encompassing deserved culture, spiritual, and economic values.
We must protect and support responsible ecosystems that protect animals and their natural habitats.
Everyone can help protect the earth by recycling paper, plastic, glass, metal, and old electronics. Cleaning local parks and forests also help maintain a healthy environment. We can volunteer with animal shelters and support organizations that protect street
Choosing locally sourced and sustainable food can help reduce environmental damage. For example, lowering carbon footprint. Because local food travels shorter distance, it requires less refrigeration and less protective packaging, both of which are energy intensive and contribute to pollution. Promoting sustainable farming. Local farmers are often more likely to use eco-friendly practices such as crop rotation, which maintains soil health and integrate pest management. We should also avoid buying products that are tested on animals. Many products are tested on animals to check if they are safe for humans. This testing can cause pain and suffering to animals. By choosing natural products, we help protect animals and support companies that use safer human testing methods. Protecting the environment starts with small actions. If everyone plays their part, we can create a better future for our planet. For example, reduce waste by recycling and reusing materials whenever possible. Save water by turning off taps when not in use. Plant trees and take care of green space around us. Walk, cycle, or use public transport to reduce pollution.